ABT presents A1 Level Conversations.
What time is it? Talking about days, dates, and seasons.
Hello, everyone! Today I want to talk about something very important. Time, dates, and days. We use them every day. At home, at school, and at work. Let's start with time. Imagine I look at the clock. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. That is the time to start work. At 12 o'clock, it is lunchtime. At 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I drink coffee. At 7 o'clock in the evening, I eat dinner. And at 10 o'clock at night, I go to bed. Every hour is important. Every hour tells a story. Now, let's talk about days of the week. On Monday, I work a lot. On Tuesday, I have meetings. On Wednesday, I study English. On Thursday, I go to the gym. On Friday, I relax after work. On Saturday, I spend time with my family. On Sunday, I rest and prepare for the new week. 7 days, every day is different. And now, let's move to months and dates. The year starts in January. My birthday is in March. I celebrate with my friends. In July, I go on vacation. In September, school begins again. In December, we celebrate the holidays. Every date is special. For example, today is the 15th of September. Tomorrow is the 16th of September. Yesterday was the 14th of September. Dates tell us where we are in the year. Finally, let's remember the seasons. Spring is fresh and green. Summer is hot and sunny. Autumn is cool and colorful. Winter is cold and sometimes snowy. Every season has special months. Every season has special days. So, time is important. Days are important. Dates are important. Seasons are important. They help us plan, organize, and enjoy our lives. Thank you for listening to my talk about time, dates, and days.
Now, let's practice. In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our website or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.